Hey guys, today I'm selling my Apple iPad Mini 4. It's the Wi-Fi and cellular edition with takes SIM card. I've been using this on T-Mobile, but I believe it's unlocked for all carriers. It's 64 gigabytes of space. The color is space gray, and it ships in this original box. This is the original box it came in, and I'm also going to include the Apple Store bag as well, not shown in this video. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because when you list things with cracked screens, specifically iPads and iPhones, eBay requires you to list it for parts not working, but this is a fully functional iPad. In the original box, it comes with the paperwork. Never opened that. Charge brick here. The cable is missing, but it does have the SIM card removable tray. This is all original. This is how it came when I first got it. Like I said, the screen is cracked, and that is the only damage to this iPad. Everything is fully functional. It's actually in mint condition other than the cracked glass. The back of the iPad is smooth. There's not a scratch. I've had this in a case since I've been using it since 2016, mainly for checking emails, for work emails. It's my work iPad. There you see the damage to the front glass. I've since put a screen protector on this, a tempered glass one, to prevent the crack from spreading. It did spread a little bit, but it's to prevent the cracks from spreading. What happened, my toddler on Christmas break, on the Christmas holiday, he smacked it 3 times with this die-cast fire engine, and it cracked in basically kind of 3 places there, the top, the middle, and then there's a line going through the middle section. No, but the tempered glass that's on here allows you to use it like normal. You don't feel the cracks. It's smooth to the touch. Everything works in this iPad. It's basically the only problem is the screen is cracked. We were told different prices. If you go to the shopping mall kiosk, they'll replace this for about $150. You could do it yourself. There's a website that sells you original iPad screens. They charge about $100 and up, for depending on what quality screen you get. And if you take it to Apple, they will replace it for you for $300 with the same iPad. Or you could go to Apple Certified Repair Shop and they'll repair the glass for $250. So you have different, if you want to buy this, you have different price options. And I'm pricing this based on you will have to replace the screen if you want to. If not, it fully works. As you see, I'm using it here. The power button works. The fingerprint sensor works. It's very smooth. Everything works smooth. All the buttons click. I don't think I've ever used the headphone jacks. Everything works. Bluetooth, the cellular antennas, the Wi-Fi antenna. The brightness of the screen is really good. The speakers work. You'll hear that in a minute when I stop talking. Screen is smooth. Everything slides back and forth, rotates very smoothly. I'm gonna play a YouTube just so you can hear the sound. One more thing before I play the video. All these apps you see here will be factory reset. These are my personal apps. The iPad you will be getting will be like brand new. It's just you have to set it up yourself with your own apps.
Hi, Rex Moore with the Motley Fool with some interesting news, to say the least. A year-long Fool investigation has uncovered the fact that money can be used to buy things, such as your perfect house or car, dine out without feeling guilty, luxury travel.
And there you go. That's kind of everything works. The screen is very smooth, sliding back and forth. Battery life, everything is really good on this iPad. Surprisingly, I've always heard stories where the battery tends to die quicker after a couple of years, but never overcharged this once. Always carefully charge it at my nightstand, but I always unplug it. I never go to sleep with this plugged in, and that's, I believe, the killer of these batteries, like if you leave it plugged in for a long time. So I've been aware of that. Actually, you'll see I'm going to my eBay auction for this very product. Little inception there of, we're looking at the product right now. See, everything's smooth when you slide the pictures on this. It's a fully functioning iPad. The only issue is the screen is cracked, and I will just list this as used with a cracked screen, fully working. But like I said, eBay requires you to list it as if it's not working, and you only sell it for parts only. But this is, as you see here, it's fully working iPad. Everything works on this. Basically, I'm also pricing this, like I said, based on the fact that whoever buys this may want to replace the screen if they don't want to use it in this condition. So I'm pricing it under $150, knowing that whoever buys this will probably spend $100 to $250 just replacing the screen, as well as the battery, if you choose to, and the digitizer. That it's all one thing you replace at the same time. So for, I guess, the 150 plus 250, you get a brand new iPad mini 4, 64 gigabytes, Wi-Fi and cellular. The screen brightness works. Like I said, there's no damage to the inside of the screen. You will obviously want to replace the screen because the cracks, tempered glass will prevent it from spreading, but long term, if you're going to use this, you would want to replace the screen. And like I've been told, it's a real easy process. You could definitely do it yourself with a blow dryer, hair dryer, and I'm going to listen to some Netflix here. So you definitely could replace the screen yourself within, like, I think on the hour or so, with minimal tools.
Agent d'entretien. L'endroit, on considère qu'il n'y a rien de valeur. Couloir séparé, entrée séparée, ascenseur séparé.
So you heard a bit of Netflix. You could swipe away to close the apps. Like, everything's normal. The camera works on both the front and the back camera. There is the camera. iPads never really had great cameras, so I've never really used the camera on this. And this is the front face camera. Even though the screen is cracked where the camera is in the front facing camera still works for FaceTime calls, Zoom, video chats. It works. And the other side, you won't look cracked or blurry or anything like that. It works perfectly. Like I said, it's a fully functioning iPad mini 4. Only thing you want to do is replace the screen when you get this. But it's a really good deal, $100 to $150, depending on what best offer you make me. This is priced to get rid of. I already replaced this. Already replaced it, so go ahead and make me a best offer, or you can buy it now. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.